Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Luna. Today I'm gonna share with you my special protection spray. I love it so much and it has been so helpful for me. The concept of a protection spray is to create a spiritual and magical barrier around you and to keep you away from the evil spirits. But I believe it works more like to stimulate your sense and mind to be powerful so that you can find a way to overcome the difficulties. Usually, I'm a quite positive person, but I do have some times that I feel anxious, frustrated, or depressed, especially when the things around me continuously go wrong or out of control. In that kind of situation, I use this spray. It resets my mind and I feel like I have a magical barrier around me. So I show you how to make it now. Here are what I use for my spray. A spray bottle. This recipe will make approximately 90 ml of solution, so a 100 ml bottle will be perfect. And 65 ml of water, preferably purified water. 20 ml of isopropyl alcohol or 30 ml of rubbing alcohol. Alcohol is to preserve the solution and to create beautiful fine mist. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. I use Himalayan salt. Salt has been used for purification for thousands of years in many countries. It absorbs negative energy. Avoid using table salt as it has additives like anti-caking agent. And 30 drops of your selected essential oil. Here are the suitable essential oils for this recipe. Before getting into the making method, let me explain the essential oils. All of these oils in the list have a protective effect, so you can use any of these oils for the protection spray. Basically, they carry high vibration that protects the field. Also, they have antibacterial or antimicrobial properties. That is why they are believed to be suitable for protection. Each oil has different characteristics. I'm gonna quickly explain what kind of benefit you can get from them. Cinnamon bark. It connects to the base chakra, stabilizes your aura and brings substantial success. Clove butt. It helps you to connect your higher self. It clears your mind and it helps to conquer the fear. Peppermint. It stimulates your mind and helps to solve the problems around you. Holy basil. It saves you from poverty and illness. Rosemary. It improves your memory and connects you to your past life. Sage. Heals your mind and purifies the area. Tea tree keeps evil spirits and sickness away. Lavender. It comforts your anxiety or sadness, adjusts the vibration of your energy. Lemon. It solves your confusions or insecurities. It clears your mind. Geranium gives you abundance of love. Vetiver. It releases the heat energy trapped in your body or around you. It connects each chakra. Juniper brings your view to the point of the future or the different level of the time. Sandalwood clears negative energy. It creates high level of energy vibration when it goes with frankincense. Myrrh adjusts your energy vibration, relaxing, and it cleanses the area. Frankincense. It keeps evil spirits away. It was found in Tutankhamun's tomb in Egypt. The Bible says the 3 wise men from the east gave myrrh and frankincense to the baby Jesus. They are known as highly spiritual essential oils. Okay, let's get started. Pour 20 ml of alcohol into the spray bottle. Alcohol and oil are miscible, so it works like a medium between oil and water. Then add essential oils of your choice, 30 drops in total. Today I use sandalwood, rosemary, geranium, myrrh, and frankincense and basil. And add salt. It's not easy to put the salt into the bottle, so I used a piece of paper. Lastly, fill up the bottle with 65 ml of water. Close the lid tightly and shake, shake, shake. That's it. When the salt is all dissolved, it's ready to use. If you want to make it look fancy, you can make the label for the bottle. I thought antique style labels would look good on these bottles. So I searched for antique label templates and I found some nice designs. Then I used Illustrator to add some words like ingredients on the labels and I printed them out. If you have a label paper, go ahead, use it. But I didn't have it, so I used the normal paper. But don't worry, you can turn them into beautiful labels. Cut the labels out and apply glue on the back. Then stick it on the piece of clear tape. Trim the excess of the tape at about 5 mm outside the label's edges. Then stick it on the spray bottle. Voila! Here are well-presented protection sprays. You can add some charms to make it look more special. These are the protection sprays that I made 2 years ago for my friends. This calm scent relaxes your nerves and supports your mind grounding. You can spray yourself, also spray the areas where the negative energy is stored. You can spray anytime you want. Hope this little magical item helps you, and hope you enjoyed this DIY. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and see you on my next video. Bye!